Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today is 8/7 and on 8/9 in 2 days is the official 8/6 meet. But before that, I want to get a couple things done. I'm here with Karina using her goggles to look at something. So one of the things that we're going to be putting on today before the 8/6 meet on 8/9 is the Traino badges on the side that go right here. And the other Traino Toyota Sprinter logo that goes on the right side of the trunk over here. We already have the OEM Twin Cam 16 Apex, which I also got, but I already have the OEM one, and these are replicas. So I'm gonna keep this one, even though this one's gray, and all the other ones will be black. The other thing that we're gonna be installing today is JDM Zenki Traino taillights, which I got for a steal. Shock the Mob, one of the known 8/6 suppliers for JDM parts, is charging $500 without shipping. I got these in about an hour away from where I live for $200. Big steal. The only problem is with this one, there's a pretty big crack right there, and then another small one right there, but that one's barely noticeable. Kind of look different, but kind of look the same. The I think the reverse light and this are moved more to the right, and everything is just tinted a little bit more.
The couch is actually semi-sittable now.
Yeah, I know. I cleaned most of your artwork off of it. And
what are you trying to say?
It was just, I can't even sit on it. So now I can kind of sit on it.
Yeah.
Set one cheek on there. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna take one off, and then we're gonna compare them, see how different they are, see which one I like better. I like both of them, but I think the JD one is gonna look a little bit better. Houston, we might have a problem. I think these have a different harness. Time to go to the internet for answers. So guys, even though they turn out to look a lot better, turns out I cannot use them because the bulb holders on the back are totally different. I didn't even think about that. So this USDM one does not fit into the JDM one, and I bet this part is gonna be rare. So we're gonna have to wait to installing JDM taillights for you know, at least a couple months. Go like this and give it a quick one of these. So we got the Toyota Sprinter Traino logo, and we're gonna try to match it with the same position of this one, like that, but over here, with just a little bit like that. Okay, we didn't mess up. So a disaster happened today. It wasn't an earthquake, it wasn't a tsunami. It was me messing up this beautiful sticker that it took a month to get here. The Toyota Sprinter now says Toyota Sprint. And so I got frustrated through that ground, stomped on it. But we got the Traino logo on, but it kind of looks awkward because that one's in gray and that one's black. So the only thing to fix this is to put more cheap stickers on. So that one's not too bad. Little bit away. Son of a bitch. It broke!
I'm sorry, bro. I don't mean to laugh.
Alright, well, good thing
But
we
you
got
just keep...
good thing we got a lot more. Mod difficulty level, a 5. Coilovers, a breeze. Stickers, am I a good sticker layer? The answer can be found right here.
No.
Guys, this is the last opportunity to do it. It came with 4 stickers. I've already messed up twice. Means I have 1 left. I have taken the precautions of maybe this working, but I made like a little stencil of like, hey, this is straight. Hey, this is straight. Because my mom always told me when I was a kid that if I kept on going cross-eyed like this, I'd become cross-eyed. I guess it did happen. Now I cannot figure out how to put something on straight. So to right our wrongs with destroying the Toyota Sprinter logo, until I can order a new one, and it takes 2 more months to get here, and me waste another $30, and then me try to fix that one over there and then mess it up even more. We put the TRD logo there to like kind of fill the gap. So we're 1 day away from 8/6, actually 9 day, and I've got the, my part just came in. I was waiting for this because I'm gonna be doing this long drive, and you know, I want my rear end to be centered. So I've been waiting for this. It said it was gonna come in Monday, which is the day after 8/6 day, but it actually came in today. Super excited. So we took out the old Panhard bar here, and here's a new one. And we're just gonna adjust it to make it the same so it fits on at the beginning, and then we'll do the adjustment of centering it in just a second. But I'm super excited this came in. So for the side connected to the chassis, you're gonna be using these ones right here. Just stick these babies in, and then stick it right through. There we go. Alright guys, so we got the Panhard bar in. Tip number 1, never paint this little thing here because it was so hard to get the nuts, the washers, and like all the fitments on here. So I finally hammered it in, got this secured. I got this one secured too. All we have to do is adjust it now. I'm going off what Otto Haas Z said, and he said you've got to measure from the back of your wheel to this little hole right here, and we just got to make it center now, and we're good. Now next clip you'll be seeing is us going off to 8/6 day, because I've got nothing else to install and I think we're ready. What's up guys, it's the next day and it's like 6 a.m. in the morning, and I did not sleep at all, and we're driving to Houston. Yeah, we're driving her all the way to Houston. This is gonna be the make it or break it test to see if it's reliable or not. I've not slept at all, so I grabbed me a Monster and we'll be on our way now. Alright guys, we made it to the location, and yeah, we're about to start heading out and cruising to the next location already. We just got here. Pretty good turnout so far, and there's still more to come. Not everybody's an early bird like us. Here, side of the road, just like the one on Mount Akana, and we're all parked up. I think by far this one's the cleanest. It's got the candy paint, two-tone snowflake rims to the wheels. Interior looks immaculate. This one's hella clean. Alright guys, so we were at Buc-ee's for a little bit, we ate, and now we're about to head off. I think we have over 20 Corollas here, and dope ass right hand drive 4Runner back there. Oh, never mind, it's not there. I think we're leaving. And we got a dude on a chopper. But yeah. Alright guys, so the last thing you saw was we were at the meet. Now we are home after 2 hours. I almost fell asleep. We are sweating. Good thing I wore a white beater. David's got a seatbelt sweat mark right there. And I think everybody's ready to hit the hay and go to bed. But it was a fun day and we had a lot of fun with the other A6s. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Comment down below what you thought of 86 Day in Texas, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.